Good morning, students. Last class we discussed quadratic equations. What is meant by quadratic equation? So what is its general formula? If ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 represents a quadratic equation, what are the conditions? A not equal to 0, ABC belongs to real numbers and complex numbers. What are the roots of quadratic equation? What is the solution of quadratic equation? Generally, what roots we will take? What is sum of roots? What is product of roots? What is difference of roots? What is alpha square plus beta square? What is alpha cube plus beta cube? After that, we will go through that what is the discriminant of a quadratic equation, like this we'll discuss. Next, we have one more small concept in that quadratic equation. So, if ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is given. For this, there is alpha and beta roots. How to express this expression in terms of roots? Very simple, students. Let I am taking ax square plus bx plus c. This is always in higher classes. That means in PUC onwards, whenever ax square plus bx plus c is given, it is taken as a half x minus alpha into x minus beta, where alpha, beta are the roots of quadratic equation. This is the formula. How you will get this? By using this expression. See here, students, ax square plus bx plus c, ax square plus bx plus c. Let I am taking a common factor. Students, it is lower classes, you are taken common factor if it will be in the 3 terms. 3 terms lo common ida ante madabodri. But here a is common in only one term. A is not here and not here. Then how to make it is common? Simple, students. Which term it containing a, that will take out common. Which term is not in a, that denominator you will get a. For example, see here. If ax square plus bx plus c is equal to, if you take a common factor, you will get here already a, so it will get in outside. Here a illa, that's why you are getting bx by a, plus here also a is not there, you will get c by a. Sir, is this value equal to this? Yes, you can multiply and check. A into x square, ax square plus a into bx by a, next ac by a. We can simplify ax square, a and a gets cancelled, plus bx and a gets cancelled, you will get c, you will get the same expression. Correct, students? So now onwards, if the common value in all terms we can take, if it is only one term also we can take. But what we will get if one term is common? So in these 3 terms we have a common factor for only one term. What is other terms process? You will get in denominator. So let I can write, if it is ax square a common, it is x square, it is b by a into x, it is c by a. I think you understood. Correct, students? Right. Next, a, open the bracket, x square, this plus b, I am writing minus of minus b by a into x. This is plus c by a. Understood, student? This plus, we are splitting into minus of minus plus only. Why we are splitting? You understood the next step. See here. A into x square, this minus will be the same. This minus b by a, you learnt in the last class sum of roots. Sum of the roots alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Correct, students? So I can replace this minus b by a place is alpha plus beta. And also you know that c by a is product of the roots alpha into beta. Is it correct, students? That's why I replaced plus as minus of minus, because this place I can easily replace alpha plus beta. Next step, a into x square you are going to multiply alpha with x, minus alpha x minus beta x plus alpha into beta. Next step, students, a of, in these two terms I can take x common, you will get x minus alpha. In these two terms we have beta common, minus beta common, so you will get x minus alpha. Correct, students? Right. Next, a into, in these two terms we have x minus alpha common and we left it here x and here minus beta. So now we can write always ax square plus bx plus c can express in the term of a of x minus alpha and x minus beta, where alpha beta are the roots of the quadratic expression. So you remember it, ax square plus bx plus c expression, roots are alpha and beta, then we can express always this value is in terms of this. And one more, the small formula, if the quadratic equation whose roots are alpha and beta, then its formula is x square minus of alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation whose roots are alpha and beta. We got that step is here. X square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta equal to 0. That means whenever they will give a roots, you can calculate equation. Whenever they will give a equation, you can calculate roots. Now we will start the exercise 5.3. What they are asking, solve each of the following equations. We have to calculate roots of this equation, students. Solve each of the following equation. First question is given, x square plus 3 is equal to 0. What is meant by solution or solve? To calculate the variable value. What is variable here? X value. So how to calculate x, students? So that 3 you can bring into the right side, you will get minus 3. So you need an x value, you will get this is under root minus 3. When square becomes a root, you will get plus or minus. But in lower classes up to SSLC, these kind of problems are get. That means under root negative real numbers. You will say that does not exist. That means these value does not exist in real numbers. But you learnt in the complex numbers also. That's why we can express this value in complex numbers. So you have to solve in complex number. How to solve? Very easy. X is equal to plus or minus under root minus 3, I can write 3 into minus 1. X is equal to plus or minus, it is root a into b, root a into root b. So x is equal to plus or minus root 3. You know very well, root over minus 1 is treated as I. That is the complex number which is iota. Correct, students? So what is the solution of this equation? You can write as a solution set x is equal to plus or minus root 3i. Here we have two roots. Plus root 3i is one root, minus root 3i the other root. I told if alpha is root 3i, beta is minus root 3i. I told if b square minus 4ac less than 0, the roots are complex, those roots are conjugate to each other. I told, correct or not, students? What is meant by conjugate? I replaced as minus I. Only the difference is negative sign. Correct, students? Sir, how would we know b square minus 4ac 0? Very simple. X square plus 3 is equal to 0. If you compare this equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, a value is 1 because this is x square coefficient. B term x coefficient is absent here, b is equal to 0, c term is 3. I told if b term is 0, which is called pure quadratic. Pure quadratic sum of the roots is 0. You can apply, you can see that now b square minus 4ac, you will get b square is 0 square minus 4 into 1 into 3, you are getting minus 2, it is less than 0. So b square minus 4ac is less than 0. The roots are complex or imaginary. See that the roots are complex numbers. Correct, students? Right. Now we will solve the one more equation. This is given 2x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. So we have to calculate x value. It is in the format of compare with quadratic equation. What is quadratic equation general formula? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. If you comparison, a is equal to 2, b is equal to 1 and c is equal to 1. You know the formula for quadratic equation. What is formula? X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So you can replace it here. Minus 2 plus or minus under root b square means 1 square, 4 into a value is 2, c value is 1 upon 2 into a value is 2. So x is equal to minus 2 plus or minus under root 1 square is 1, minus 4 2s are 8, 8 1s are 8 upon 4. Now x is equal to minus 2 plus or minus under root 1 minus 8 is minus 7 by 4. Again we have root under negative real numbers. That's why this solution does not exist in real numbers, but it exists in complex numbers. That's why you are going to write the roots in complex number. Minus 2 plus or minus, I can write root over minus 7 as a 7 into minus 1 upon 4. So x is equal to minus 2 plus or minus root 7 into root over minus 1 upon 4. X is equal to minus 2 plus or minus root 7 root over minus 1 as I. So here also we are existing two roots, minus 2 plus root 7i by 4, minus 2 minus root 7i by 4. So therefore solution set x is equal to set of minus 2 plus or minus root 7i upon 4. Clear, students? So we have to solve like this. So one more question I will solve. Check it here. Excuse me. Solution. Here given 3x x square plus 3x plus 9 is equal to 0. It is also in the format of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So comparing ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So a value becomes 1, b value becomes 3 and c value becomes 9. So we have a formula for roots. X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So x is equal to minus b means minus 3 plus or minus under root we have b square value 3 square minus 4 into 1 into 9 upon 2 into 1. So x is equal to minus 3 plus or minus under root 9 minus 4 9s are 36 upon 2. So x is equal to minus 3 plus or minus root over 9 minus 36 is minus 27. Correct, students? Right. So x is equal to minus 3 plus or minus under root 27 into minus 1 upon 2. X is equal to minus 3 plus or minus root 27 into root over minus 1 upon 2. So x is equal to minus 3 plus or minus root 27. I can write 9 into 3. This is I upon 2. So you can simplify x is equal to minus 3 plus or minus root 9 value is 3 root 3i upon 2. So therefore solution set x is equal to set of minus 3 plus 3 root 3i upon 2. This is our solution. Understood, students? Right, one more problem I will explain. Solution. So this is also in the format of compare with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So a becomes here minus 1, b becomes plus 1, c becomes minus 2. We have the roots formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. X is equal to minus b value 1, minus 1 plus or minus b square 1 square 4 into a value minus 1, c value minus 2 upon 2 into minus 1. X is equal to minus 1 plus or minus under root 1 minus into minus plus plus into minus 8 upon minus 2. So x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root over minus 7 upon minus 2. X is equal to minus 1 plus or minus, I can write minus 7 as 7 into minus 1, students. So minus 1 plus or minus root 7 into root over minus 1 by minus 2. So x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root 7i by minus 2. Therefore solution set, which is equal to set of minus 1 plus or minus root over 7i by minus 2, students. Good morning, students. The last class we explained quadratic equations concept and we started the exercise 5.3. We completed few problems. I think we completed 4 problems. Now we will go through the 5th problem. Solve the equation, quadratic equation, or find the roots of quadratic equation, or find the x value of the quadratic equation. So the roots, solution, zeros and x value all the same. So now we are solving the 5th problem. It is given x square plus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. The highest degree of this, the highest power or degree of this quadratic equation is 2. So that's why degree of this equation is 2. That's why it is called quadratic. Quadratic means the highest power or degree is 2. So you can comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 because it is a general form. Now while comparison, a value becomes 1 and b value becomes 3 and c value becomes 5. Now we need to calculate here variable value, root or a solution. What is variable here? X. So we are going to calculate x. For that roots we have a basic formula already we told in the introduction. So x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So now you know the all values, ABC values you can replace here. So b is 3, so minus b means minus 3 plus or minus under root b square, nothing but 3 square, 4 into a value is 1 and the c value is 5, then you will get 2 into 1. So now x is equal to minus 3 plus or minus under root 9 minus 20 upon 2. So now you can simplify x is equal to minus 3 plus or minus under root 9 minus 20 is minus 11 upon 2. So minus 11 under root means it is a negative real number in square root. So negative real numbers does not exist in square root. That's why this root is not in real numbers. We can convert it is into complex number. How to convert? Already we did the few models. Minus 3 plus or minus root over minus 11 we can split into 11 into minus 1 upon by 2. So x is equal to minus 3 plus or minus, this is root over a into b, we can split root a into root b upon 2. So x is equal to minus 3 plus or minus root over 11. You know the known value root over minus 1 is I upon 2. So solution set. X is equal to set of minus 3 plus or minus root over 11 I upon 2. So remember students, this I not including in root, because root over minus 1 is I. So that is excluding. We have here two roots, minus 3 plus root 11 I upon 2. Otherwise minus 3 minus root 11 upon by 2. Clear students? So we will go through next problem, similar model. So the next one is given, sixth problem, x square minus x plus 2 is equal to 0. It is also a quadratic equation. Comparing with its general formula, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. And how to find the roots? We have a formula method, x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2. Apply that problem, you will get the x values or roots. So now comparing ax square, comparing with ax square plus bx plus c, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now while comparing this, what is in a place here students? A is equal to 1, b place is here minus 1, because this is in plus value, it is in minus. So b place is minus 1 and c place is 2. So we have to calculate roots or solution x value. For that we have formula minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. You know the values of abc, you can replace. P is minus 1, minus b means minus of minus 1 plus or minus under root b square minus 1 the whole square. 4 into a value is 1 and the c value is 2 upon 2 into 1. So x is equal to minus of minus plus or minus under root 1 minus 8 upon 2. So x is equal to 1 plus or minus under root minus 7 by 2. Again they are not real roots. Why? Because we have under root negative real numbers. Negative real numbers does not exist. That's why again these roots are is in complex numbers. How to convert into complex number? So 1 plus or minus under root 7 into minus 1, I can split it. So now x is equal to 1 plus or minus, this is root over a into b. You know the formula, root over a into b is equal to root a into root b in real numbers. Correct students? Right. Like we have tried, it is root 7 into root over minus 1 upon 2. So x is equal to 1 plus or minus root 7. The known value of root over minus 1 is I upon 2. This is the solution or x value. Solution set x is equal to set of 1 plus or minus root over 7i upon by 2. This is the solution of the given quadratic equation. We have here plus or minus na, so you will get two roots. Two roots are conjugate. I told if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, you are getting the complex roots. Those are conjugate to each other. Conjugate means I place is minus I. So 1 plus root 7i upon 2, 1 minus root 7i upon 2. Clear students? Right. Now next problem, seventh one students. See here. So it is also in the format of ax square plus bx plus c. So comparison with their general formula. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So a value is equal to root 2, b value is equal to 1 and c value is equal to root 2. Understood students? This we are comparing here. So a place is root 2 and b place is 1 and c place is root 2. Now we have to calculate x value or a root. There is a formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So x is equal to minus b, there is minus 1 plus or minus under root b square value, there is 1 square, 4 into a value is root 2 and the c value is also root 2 upon 2 into a value is root 2. Understood, students? So b place we are substituting b value and b square 4 into a as well as c upon 2a. Now you can simplify this. X is equal to minus 1 plus or minus under root 1 whole square is 1 minus root 2 into root 2 is 2, 2 into 4 is 8 upon 2 root 2. So x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root over minus 7 upon 2 root 2. So x is equal to, it is also not a real root because under square root we have negative real numbers, should convert into complex numbers, root over 7 into minus 1 upon 2 root 2. So now x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root 7 into root over minus 1 because it is under root a into b is equal to root a into root b. Now we can write root over minus 1 as I, minus 1 plus or minus root 7I upon 2 root 2. So this is the solution set or x value. This is also the students. So these roots are imaginary and complex and we can say that they are conjugate to each other because one value is conjugate to another value. So there is a change of I place as minus I. Right, students. Next.